How you doing out there? My name is David Duford from buylifeinsuranceforburial.com, and today I'm doing a very quick video on Colonial Penn Life Insurance Review. You probably found this video in doing some research, whether you're a child of a parent or whether you're a senior looking for some sort of life insurance to cover you in the case of an untimely passing. And what this video is going to serve to do is give you some good insight and education on how Colonial Penn works from the perspective of life insurance. I myself am a life insurance agent. I specialize in working with different companies, and I know all these companies very well. I have over 1,500 people insured. I've been in business for 5 years. And Colonial Penn, to be simply blunt with you, despite the amount of money that's spent on Colonial Penn, despite the amount of in advertising and the endorsements by the Jeopardy guy, Alex Trebek, Colonial Penn specializes and leads with what's called guaranteed acceptance life insurance. If you listen to the commercial, Alex Trebek talks about the fact that you'll never have a physical, your rates never go up, your coverage never goes down. All of this is true, but the thing that is not explained, it's right there in the fine print, as I tell my clients, is that you're not covered for 2 years. You've heard right. If you die within the first 2 years of any Colonial Penn, well, I'll say any Colonial Penn plan, but the guaranteed acceptance plan, only what you paid in plus 7% interest is refunded back. I'll give you a couple examples. Like I said, I've done a lot of business in the burial insurance marketplace, and you hear all sorts of stories. The one in particular that stands out with me is when I first started. My very first policy I sold was to a gentleman whose father had Colonial Penn. He explained to his children he had had insurance enough to bury him, that there was no need to be concerned with coming out of pocket to pay for anything. He had passed away unexpectedly from a stroke about 12 months later. And to the chagrin of the brothers that were bereaved, he didn't have the coverage that their father explained to them. His father simply didn't understand his Colonial Penn plan was a 2-year wait product. So the brothers only got back $400 or $500 and had to mortgage their house to actually pay to put their father in the ground. It was a sad scenario, but unfortunately it's very common. I mention this because guaranteed acceptance, when I explain it to my clients, is something that's good if there are no other options. It is the nuclear option, okay, for lack of a better description. If you can't find insurance anywhere else, and you can't get insured anywhere else, and you've tried and you've exhausted all of your options, Colonial Penn's fine. But the truth is, most people can do a lot better than Colonial Penn can offer. Even if you've had a history of heart problems, cancer problems, lung problems, diabetes, you name it. Even things like Parkinson's or Lou Gehrig's disease or mental health issues. All of these issues can give some kind of, there's a company out there that will get you first day full coverage. And the important thing to remember is you want to talk to an agent that will help you find the best price plan, that will give you the ability to get you coverage that will be in effect, if not partially, completely from the first day. And at Buy Life Insurance for Burial, that's what I do. If you're interested in getting a quote that will cover you, hopefully, or at least researching to see if you can be covered, and the odds are you can, go to my comments down here or type in the website you see at the bottom, buylifeinsuranceforburial.com, and that will take you to my website. And please take your time to submit a quote. There's a quote box on there. You can input your information, your age, and get an idea of what it will run you. And then either give me a call or go to the contact page and put your information in, and I'll reach out and do a free, no obligation quote just to give you an idea of what your options are. No pressure whatsoever, to at least empower you to make sure you're going to get the best deal possible. My name's David Duford again, and I want to thank you for your time. Take care.